So in our last class, we looked at a list and I explained that a list allows you to store multiple items inside a single container. Something like this. Okay. I'm not using PowerShell. Okay. And you can loop to the list. So name represents each item in the list. Name refers with Taye, so I can print name. Oops. So this is going to print Taye, Kenny, and Fidelis. I can print something like this. So this is going to print my name is Taye, my name is Kenny, then my name is Fidelis. Any questions, sir? Okay. Now there are sometimes that we want to deal with the position of the items, not just the items now. We are able to get the items, but what if I want to deal with the indexes, the position of the items? Taye is at index 0, Kenny is at index 1, Fidelis is at index 2. Before we move forward, let's first see how I can display Taye alone. I will just say print. If I want to print Taye, what am I going to do, sir? Just Taye.
Remove your console so that you can see. Yeah. Just Taye, right?
Yes, sir.
Go to print names index 0.
Exactly. So that's going to give us Taye. Now, if I now want to have access to the indexes of these items, not just the values there, but the positions themselves, we are going to use something we call range. Before we use it with the list, let's look at range on its own. If I say range 5, Python sees range 5 as something like this. 0 to 5. So if I say range 10, that's 0 to 9. I can say range 1 to 5, that is start as 1 and end at 5. So this is going to be 1 to 4. Do you get it, sir?
Okay.
It's not going to include this 5, the number here itself. It's not going to include it. Start at 1, end at the number before 5. So range 5 is the short form of saying range 0, 5. Do you get it, sir?
So the other side now, that 5, is it going to like print?
Is it going to print?
Is it going to print 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or?
No, sir. Just 4. It will end at 4. Range 5 means start at 0 and end at 5, but don't include 5.
So now if you're saying range 0, 5.
But it's still the same
So
thing as range 5 like this. Do you get it, sir?
Oh, okay.
They are the same thing. If we say range 0, 5, it's the same thing as saying range 5.
Okay.
So if I say range 2, 5, that would be 2, 3, 4. Do you understand?
Okay.
Sir?
Yes.
So, the question. What would this give us?
Four, 5, 6, 7, 8.
It's not going to include 8.
8. No.
That is 4, 5, 6, 7. Any questions, sir?
No.
No. Having checked that, we can do something like this. For var in range 5, if I say print var, that's going to print 0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes.
That's why we have this. Now I can now proceed to do something like this. What will this give us, sir?
For var in range, print, it's going to print 2, 3, 4.
Thank you, sir. Let's proceed. What will this give us, sir?
For var in range, this print hello. It's going to print I think it will print hello because you okay, hold on. 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4. I think it will print hello.
No, how many
Not sure.
times?
It will print hello. I'm not sure, but I think it will print hello.
Yes, how many times?
Oh, okay. 2 times. No, 2, 3, 4. 3 times.
Exactly, 3 times. Thank you, sir. Any questions, sir?
No.
Var will first be 2. It's going to print hello. If you put hello var, that will be hello 2. Then var becomes 3. It will print hello again. Then var becomes 4. It will print hello. Then it will stop. Let's move on. If I run this code, what am I going to say?
Hello, hello, hello.
Good. Aha. Hello, hello, hello. I'm getting it. Now, remember I said names index 0 will be Taye. Names index 1 will be Kenny. Names index 2 will be Fidelis. Now, let's add more items to this. Let's say John. Let's add more. And last one. Good. What would this give me, sir?
For var in range is print var. It's going to print var in 5 times.
Is that?
It's going to print var 5 times.
What will it print? What will I see?
You're going to see var.
Okay, the word var.
Yeah, the word var.
No, sir. No, sir. If it was to be like this, I'll see the word var. This is ordinary text.
It's going to print 2, 3, 4, 5.
Exactly. 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you getting it, sir?
Yeah.
Let's move on. Now, what if I have this? What am I going to say?
So this is a case line 1 now.
Yes, sir.
So for var in range, for print names, var. So you're going to see so you're going to basically, it's going to print Fidelis, John, it's going to print Fidelis, John, Okoye, and Peter. Tolu. Tolu.
Oh no, you're almost there. You stop at Peter. Not
Yeah, which is the 50.
Exactly.
50.
Which is index 5.
Yeah.
Yes. You're getting the concept. Now, let's assume I want to start from Taye and end at BC. What am I going to do?
You're just going to basically say for var in range. So you want to stop. You want to start at Taye.
From the first name to the last name. Yeah. From Taye to BC.
If I just want to print that, I'm just going to say print names.
I mean, what adjustment do I need to make?
You are using this one, so
what adjustment do I need to make to
0? Oh no. Hold on. We say print names. Name. Index 0. Names index 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So hold on. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Names, print names index, print names index 0, names index 7.
You said? Like I want to start from Taye, Kenny, Fidelis, John. I want to print all the names starting from Taye to BC.
Oh, okay. You're going to put you're just going to, you see where you have for var in range 7, 6. You're just going to put 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just put only 6 there. Yeah.
Close, but not yet. Remaining 2.
Peter, let's see. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, you're going to put 8.
Now, she may be asking that why 8, why not 7, if BC is 7?
Yeah, I was going to ask if BC is 7.
The thing is this.
Because
Remember, I said range 8, range 8 will look like this. 7. Do you get it?
And that 0 is included. 0, 1,
1,
2.
2, 3.
So automatically now it's still like 8.
I had to start from here. If this were to be 7, it will stop at 6. That would be 0. If this were to be 7 like this, it will be 0 to 6. And it will end at index 6, which is Tolu. Names index 6, which will be the last one. That's where it will end. Do you understand, sir?
Yeah, okay. Since, okay, if we are putting 7 to end 6, so
Yes.
we have to put 8, so it ends 7. Right?
Yes. Yes. We put 8 here, so that it can end there. Any questions, sir?
No.
Okay, let's press it. I love the flow. Nice one. So, with this now, we've seen how you can make it up, but there's a little problem that we need to fix. The problem is this. Imagine this is a dynamic array, a dynamic list. That is, more items can be added and more can be removed. Right. Now imagine we load range 8 here, and it's working fine for what we have. But like I said, if this list is a dynamic list, that is, more items can be added. You know, in the last assignment, you appended to a list, Abi. That is, you added more items to the list.
Yeah.
The same way also, you can pop a list, you can remove from a list. You can remove items in a list.
Yeah.
So, imagine I removed 2 of these names. Let's remove the last 2. If I run this exact code, it will throw an error. It will not work.
Yeah.
You have an error here. Reason being that this is going to be 0 to 7, and range names index 6 and names index 7, they do not exist.
Yeah.
So we need to come here again and change it to 6 so that it will work fine.
Yeah.
And that's not good enough. Coming to change your code every time. So we can now say, instead of coming here, we can create a variable called list length. This is going to give you the number of items in names. It will store it as list length. Do you get it, sir?
Very well.
Okay, sir. So instead of saying 6 now, this will now be list length. So if there are 6 items here, this length will be 6. And this becomes for I in range 6, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you get it, sir? If this were to be 10 items, names become 10. Any questions so far? This becomes for var in
So
range 10.
why you're using variable there first?
Let's make
Can't
it.
we just come and say for var in range for var in range length? Can't we, for instance, not like append range to length, so, or length in, I don't know if you understand what I'm trying to say. Instead of creating variable first,
Like this.
can't we just range, for var in range.
This
like
will also
names.
work. This will
Yeah.
also work. It will also work fine, whichever one.
Okay. This is the one very kind of used to.
Okay. You can do it like this.
var in range, names.
Yes. Can do this.
So what it will do now is print names var.
Let's say this currently now, how many items do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is now for var in range 6 because line names is 6. Did you get it? So this is like saying for var in range line names, that is 6. And that's going to give us 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Any questions, sir? So this will now be names index 0, then names index 1, then names index 2, then names index 3, then names index 4, then names index 5, which is the last item. Yeah. Now, if this is now removed, let's remove two names again. This is like saying for var in range, what is len names? 4. This is for var in range 4. So range 4 is this. Do you get it, sir? Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So I said if this were to be 4, if there were 4 names here, this is for var in range 4. Do you get it, sir? And that's it 0, 1, 2, 3. It's going to print names index 0, names index 1, names index 2, names index 3. Any questions, sir?
Wow.
Okay. So this makes it flexible.
Wow.
You see this var, it stands for the position, indexes. But if we need the value, we're going to say names var. Do you understand, sir?
Yeah.
Let's play a little game together. If I run this code, what am I going to say? Hello, sir.
Yes.
If I run this code, what am I going to say?
Oh, okay. For var in range len names, print it's going to print it's going to print Fidelis.
Oh. Hello, sir.
For var in range len names, print f my name is. Okay, it's going to print my name is Taye Kenny Fidelis. I'm John.
Look at it again.
For var in range len names, which is for each value in this whole names, print my name is. So it's not my name is to Taye, my name is Kenny, my name is Fidelis, my name is John.
Look at this one more time.
Names is equals to Taye, Kenny, Fidelis, I'm John. Then you want me to say for var in range len names, which is that var now representing every items in this list. You're not saying print. What's that F again? My name is that you have mm, for various names. I think that's what it's going to print.
Okay,
My
so
name is
let's look at it together. So, names is this.
mm,
var is range. Line names. What is line names? For, Abi.
yes,
That is for var in range 4. That means this
yes,
has to be like Abi now.
yes.
My name is var. Var will first be 0. So that's going to print my name is 0. Then var becomes 1. It's going to print my name is 1. Then var becomes 2. My name is 2. Then var becomes 3. My name is 3. Do you understand, sir?
Oh, is it the line there that is prompting it to print 0, 1, 2, 3?
If I had written it like this would have printed my name is Taye, my name is Kenny, my name is Fidelis, my name is John. Because var is 0, that would be my name is names index 0, which is Taye.
Okay.
Then var becomes 1, this becomes names index 1, which is Kenny. And var becomes 2, this is name index 2, which is Fidelis. Then var becomes 3, which is name index 3, which is John. Do you get it, sir?
Yes.
Any question? Do you have any question?
No.
Okay. Let's proceed. You can also remove an item from a list. You can use the pop. The pop allows you to remove an item at a particular position, at a particular index. So if I want to remove Kenny now, I can say names.pop. Kenny is at index 1. To remove 1. Print names. So it's going to remove Kenny. You can see Kenny has been removed.
Mm.
So you can remove the value at a particular index. You can also remove it using the value itself. If you use remove, pop uses index. Remove, just use the value itself. Remove. What do I want to remove? Let's say I want to remove Fidelis. It's going to remove Fidelis. So use the value there. Fidelis. Any question to this part?
No.
Alright. Then you can use the del. Use another one you can use. Whichever one you are more comfortable with. If you want to use value, you use remove. If you want to use index, you use pop. You can also use del. Del will remove the value also at a particular index for us. You can use del. Let's say I want to remove John. That will be 0, 1, 2, 3, index 3. That's remove John. So whichever one you're more comfortable with. Now assignments. The assignment will be continuation of your last assignment.
Okay.
The last time we added new name. We skipped a name. Then we display all names, right? Now we want to remove a name. We're going to remove a name. We're going to tell the user to tell us the index of the value they want to remove. For instance, let's say here is my list. Right. I'll tell the user, there is an option to display the names, all names. I think that's option two. Option two will display all the names. So if I display all names, I can also choose. With that I can see all the names and then decide on the one I want to remove from my list. I'm going to say we now have option 4. 1 will be to add a new name. 2 will be to display names. 3 will be to skip a particular name. 4 will be to remove a name, to remove the name. So if you pick 4 now, you will tell the user to type in the index of the name they want to remove, or he or she wants to remove. Right. So if the user type the index, then you will remove the name and then display all the names. So when you display all the names now, you are not going to see the removed name. Do you get it, sir? Hello, sir. Are you there, sir?
Yes, sir.
Do you get the question?
You are recording it, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'll just go through the recording. I've not gotten the question yet, though.
Let me go right again. Before, in the last assignment, you did 1 to add a name, right? Enter 1 to add a name. Enter 2 to display all names. Enter 3 to skip a name. Now you will now add a new one. Enter 4 to remove a name. So when you enter 4, it means you want to remove a name. Then it will ask you that you should enter the index of the name you are trying to remove. So let's assume I entered 1. That means if this is my list, if I entered 1, that means I want to remove Kenny. Do you get it? So I will enter the index of the name I want to remove. So if I enter the index, it will remove that name and it will display all names. So when it displays all names, since Kenny has been removed now, it's not going to display Kenny. It will only display Taye, Fidelis, and John. Do you get it, sir? Do you understand? Are you busy with something?
No, not at all. Just that, to be honest. So I work last night. Now that.
Okay, alright. Don't worry, it's been recorded. If you have any question after watching it, kindly let me know, sir.
Alright, I will.
Alright, sir.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy the rest of it.